You're listening to BambinoBabble's story. In the ancient land of Camelot, a legendary tale unfolds, the tale of King Arthur and his noble knights. Long ago, in a time when knights and castles filled the land, there lived a young boy named Arthur. He was unaware of his destiny, for he was an orphan, raised by the kindly Sir Ector. Arthur grew strong and wise, though he did not suspect the greatness that awaited him. One fateful day, as a sword was needed for a jousting contest, Arthur was sent to fetch one. Guided by fate, he stumbled upon a mysterious sword embedded in a stone. With ease, Arthur pulled the sword, revealing himself as the true heir to the throne. News of this feat spread like wildfire, and the people rejoiced as Arthur was crowned king. With his trusted friend and advisor, Merlin the wizard, by his side, Arthur set out to unite the land under his just rule. His most trusted knights, including the valiant Sir Lancelot, the noble Sir Gawain, and the wise Sir Bedivere, joined him on his quest. Together, they formed the legendary Knights of the Round Table, a symbol of equality and unity. In the heart of the forest, Arthur stumbled upon the Lady of the Lake, who bestowed upon him the magical sword Excalibur. With this enchanted weapon, Arthur proved his worthiness as a ruler, defending his kingdom against threats both mundane and magical. One of Arthur's greatest quests was to find the Holy Grail, a sacred relic said to grant eternal life. His knights faced trials and tribulations, demonstrating their loyalty and virtue. Yet, it was the humble Sir Galahad who, guided by his pure heart, finally discovered the Grail. As years passed, Camelot flourished under Arthur's just and wise rule. However, a shadow crept over the land in the form of his half-sister, the sorceress Morgana. She sought to usurp the throne and bring chaos to the kingdom. With Merlin's guidance, Arthur thwarted her wicked plans. But destiny took a bittersweet turn. The love between Arthur, his queen Guinevere, and his most loyal knight Lancelot led to a tragic tale of betrayal and heartache. This betrayal weakened the unity of the kingdom and set the stage for the ultimate challenge. In his final battle, Arthur faced his greatest adversary, the Dark Knight Mordred, who sought to claim the throne for himself. The battle raged, and in the end, both Arthur and Mordred met their doom. As the sun set on Camelot, Arthur entrusted his loyal knight Bedivere with returning Excalibur to the Lady of the Lake. With a heavy heart, Bedivere did as he was bid, and as the sword disappeared beneath the waters, a feeling of peace and closure settled over the land. The legacy of King Arthur and his knights lived on through the tales of their bravery, unity, and the dream of a just and united kingdom. The legend of Arthur's reign continues to inspire and remind us that even in times of darkness, the light of courage and virtue will prevail. So, my dear children, as you close your eyes and journey into dreams, remember the tale of King Arthur and the Knights of the Round Table. Let it be a reminder that honor, unity, and the pursuit of justice are timeless virtues that can guide us through any adventure life may bring. And as the stars twinkle in the night sky, know that the spirit of Camelot lives on, inspiring heroes and dreamers alike. Good night, and may your dreams be as noble as King Arthur's quest.